Hello everyone, I'm Anastasia. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are doing intense middle split stretch for advanced level. So if some exercise feels harsh for you, please be gentle to yourself. And let's get started. We begin in a cross-legged position and start with a gentle warm-up. Open up the chest, head goes back, and gently round the back. A few more times. And 1, shoulders back. 2, and round the back, exhale. 4, open up the chest. 1, head goes back. 2, and round the back. 3, 4, and 1, chest forward. 2, and 3, exhale. 4, and come back to center. From here, we're doing a circles with our chest, pushing knees down, relax the hips. Make sure your hips do the rotations as well. A few more times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to center. From here, we open one arm to the side, creating a gentle rotation, and from here, go all the way to the side. Deep exhale and gently come up. Other hand. 1, open up the shoulder. 2, hand up. 3, exhale. 4, make sure your hips are on the floor. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, all the way. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Now let's open one leg to the side, straighten the knee, and from here we're going to do a gentle rotation in our spine, putting one shoulders down and then another shoulders down. Push away from your legs and down. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and both hands goes up, and we go to the side. 1, and all the way down. 2, and 3, make sure you go exactly to the side. 4, and exhale. 5, and we hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Going up. From here, we change the leg position, hips forward, and we're going gently to the other side with exhale. 1, up. 2, and 3, up. 4, and exhale. 5, 6, and we hold, and up. From here, we go all the way forward, straightening both hands forward. We hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Let's change legs. Now we bend another leg and preparing for the shoulder rotation. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and hands go up. With exhale, we go to the side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. We hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. From here, change the leg position. Both hips on the floor. Open up the hand and with exhale we go to the side 1 and exhale 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. We hold and gently go up. From here we go down to our elbows or straight fully hands forward, and we hold it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to center. Moving to the next exercise, we go into our knees. One leg is looking to the side, hands in front of you, and we go into half lunge and go up. When we go into half lunge, make sure your legs create in a one line from knee to knee. So we push our hips forward a few more times. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Hold it here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We put the hands down and rotate the hips to the lunge, straight the back knee and rotate to the middle lunge. And from here we continue the rotation to the forward lunge and to the middle lunge. Make sure you have a 90 degrees angle in your feet. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, and we hold it here with the pushes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Come back to front lunge and get up. Let's change leg. Open one leg to the side, open the hips, and we go down to the half lunge. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. We hold it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Heads down. 10. Rotate, straight the knee, rotate to the middle split and to the front lunge. Rotate to the middle lunge and to the front. Few more times. And 1, make sure your back knee is fully straight. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And we do the pushes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here we begin the Spiderman, moving from one leg to another. Make sure to keep your hips as low as possible. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, and we hold it here. Go down to the elbows. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Let's change leg. We go down, move your hands forward or keep them on the elbows, and we hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go all the way down to the hips. Open the legs as wide as possible. Feel comfortable here. And from here, we do the hips rotation to increase mobility in our hips. We rotate one leg inside and come back to center. Then rotate another leg inside and come back to center. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hands to the side. And from here, we lean to the side, touching the leg. 1, 2, change side. 3, and 4, and 5. Feel the stretch. 6, and with exhale, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and come back to center. From here, both hands goes up and we lean forward. Exhale, 1. Make sure your back is straight. Exhale, 2. And hold yourself with your muscles. 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and we hold it here. On your maximum lowest position, we stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going up. And from here we move to our back. Bend the knee, hug yourself, and gently open legs to the side into froggy position. From here we start opening one leg to the side and then another leg to the side. And 1, 2. Open and push. 4. Straight the knee and push. 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And now straight both legs and we do the pushes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and finish. Now let's straight both legs up to the sky and we open up the legs to the middle split. Make sure your knees are straight. Let's go. And 1, use your muscles, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 20. Awesome. Keep your legs together. Now we are fully ready for the middle split. Let's open both legs to the side. Straight the knee. In the middle split is most important that you straight both knees. You slide to your maximum amplitude. If you can go down to your elbows or just hold yourself with your arms. Make sure that your body weight is under your hips, not on your hands. And you hold the middle split for minimum a minute. and I'm going to leave you here in this position. If you're going to have enough power, I would suggest you to do a second round of the middle split hold, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.